Hello all, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. I hope you are doing well. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates, and I request you to please watch the video till the end so that you will get the complete overview of the job. Here we can see that there are so many job opportunities. Here we can see HP is hiring for test engineer, Genpact is hiring for management trainee position, EPAM Systems is hiring for junior software engineer, Cisco is hiring for data science analyst, Embeddsense is hiring for JavaScript developer, Temenos is hiring for freshers, IBM is hiring for internship, Kashiv is hiring for internship, Oracle is hiring for senior development manager for software, Capgemini is hiring for software analyst. These are the job opportunities. And also for experienced guys, we have already posted so many videos and the job posts in the website. So I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com and also visit our channel, and I request you to please subscribe to this channel so that you will be able to get instant notifications and you won't miss any of the last date concerns. So for few of the jobs we have observed that people will be visiting during the last date, so that you won't have time to apply. So if you subscribe, you will be able to get instant notifications so that you won't miss any of the last date things. So I request you to please subscribe. And now let us see how to apply for HP. HP is hiring for QA engineer for freshers. Here we can see the complete description. Organization name is HP, and this job was posted on 17th November. HP company was commonly shortened to Hewlett Packard or HP, was an American multinational information technology company headquartered in Palo Alto, California. The company won in the first big contract in 1938 to provide test and measurement instruments for Walt Disney production of the animated film Fantasia, which allowed HP to formally establish the Hewlett Packard company on July 2nd, 1939. By this we can know that how old this company is. The company grew into a multinational corporation widely respected for its products. HP was the world's leading PC manufacturer from 2007 until the second quarter of 2013, when Lenovo moved ahead of HP. HP specialized in developing and manufacturing computing, data storage and network hardware, and designing software and developing services. Major product lines included personal computing devices, expertise and industry standard servers, related storage devices, networking products, software, and a range of printers and other imaging products. The company directly marketed its products to households, small to medium-sized businesses and enterprises, as well as via online distribution, customer electronics and office supply retailers, software partners and major technology vendors. It also offered services and a consulting business for its production products and partner products. HP first financially successful product was a precision audio oscillator known as the HP 200A, which used a small incandescent light bulb known as pilot light as a temperature independent resistor in a critical portion of the circuit, and a negative feedback loop to stabilize the amplitude of the output sinusoidal waveform. This allowed the HP 200A to be sold for $89 when competitors were selling less stable oscillators for over $200. The 200 series of generators continued production until at least 1972 as the 200AB, still tube based but improved in design through the years. In 1947, the company was incorporated with Packard as president. He handed the presidency over the Hewlett when he became the chairman in 1964, but remained CEO of the company. Sales reached $5 million in $5 million in 1951 with 215 employees. This is how the HP has evolved. This is the evolution of HP. So it's a very great company. Nowadays in every household we will be using HP laptops and HP other gadgets. So we all of us know that HP is a very great company, and I request you to please apply wherever you see this job. And to get daily job updates, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and also visit our website, and request you to please join in any of these groups so that you will be able to get the instant notifications. And HP Systems Test QA Engineer for freshers designation is like System Test QA Engineer. Test execution, develops automation proven using proven technologies, understand storage arrays and its features. This is what they are expecting as a QA engineer, system test QA engineer. This is what, like, you need to execute all the tests, run the tests and develop automation using proven technologies. Experience needed is 0 to 2 years. Even freshers can also apply for this job. Even if you have 1 year also you can apply. Salary is negotiable and location is Bangalore. Shifts are no shifts, like day shift will be there. Educational experience required is masters or BTech or bachelor's in computer science, information systems or equivalent. BSc guys also can apply for this. That is what they mean. Typically 0 to 2 years of experience is needed. Experience in storage domain with test experience is a plus. Responsibilities are like execute test cases independently, both manual and automation. Ability to write codes and program enhancements, updates and changes for portions and subsystems of automated systems. Executed established test plans and protocols for assigned features. Functionalities includes identifiers, logs and debugs, assign issues. You need to develop understanding of a relationship with various development partners on software systems design and development. That is what they mean. And they are expecting, and participates as a member of a project team to test and meet the quality requirements of the products. Skills needed are like experience or understanding of software system design tools and languages. Good analytical and problem solving skills are needed. Understanding of design for software systems running on multiple platform types. Understanding of basic testing, coding and debugging procedures. Good written and verbal communication skills are needed. Mastery in English and local language is needed. HPE is an equal opportunity employer. Female, minority, individual with disabilities or protected veteran status. These are the skills that is what they need from you, like good communication skills. This is what I'm repeating in most of the videos. I request you to please practice reading skills, writing skills and communication skills, so that you will be able to improve. And even if you don't have good knowledge also, you will be able to crack the interviews if you have a very good communication skills. So I suggest you to please improve your communication skills so that you will be able to get and crack the jobs easily. So they need a masters or bachelors in information technologies. And I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the opportunities. And they are requesting you to have a good knowledge in testing, coding and debugging. So in order to apply, just click on this official link so that it will be redirected to the website, HP website, so that you will be able to apply for this job. You can find in the link in the description so that you will be able to apply for this job. So here you can see the complete details. Just click on this system test QA engineer. It will be redirected to the complete details. Just go through the complete details once again and apply for this job. Let's wait. Here we can see the complete details. HP Enterprise. I request you to please enter your email ID and password if you have any account earlier. If not, just create an account. Just click on this. It will ask you for email address, password and verify password, and click on this button, I declare and all, then create. And once you create the account, just click on the sign in option. You will be able to sign in and fill all other details, like it may ask you for the resume. So I request you to please apply for this job. It is a very good company, as all of us know. And no shift premium. India shift like 10 to 5 or 9 to 6, something like that will be there. And the schedule is full time. That's what they mentioned. Job ID is 11044744. So if you just visit our website, you will be able to find this, or else you can also find in the link in the description I have already provided. Just apply for this job. If you have any concerns or doubts, just email us at livejobsinfo@gmail.com, or comment in the comment box, so that we will be able to help you. And I request you to please improve your communication skills and the knowledge. And there are so many resources nowadays. I request you to please go through them and improve your knowledge at first, then you will be able to crack the knowledge. And one tip of the day today is like, improve your communication skills and improve the knowledge. It will reduce your fear. Generally most of the students are sound in knowledge, but they are lack of their lack of confidence, so it will hits them a lot in cracking the job. So my suggestion is, just get the knowledge, grasp the knowledge, and speak out. So you won't be afraid. If you have a good knowledge, you'll be able to tell anything in front of interview. And even if you know it is wrong, just tell whatever you know, so that you will be able to crack your interviews. So it is a very great tip. Even if you get 90%, 95%, or 100% also, you won't be able to get and crack the interviews, because of if you are lag in this. So I request you to please improve those skills. And please subscribe to our channel, so that we will be able to help you with all these tips. And we will be able to prepare more videos for you. And if you subscribe, it will motivate us. I request you to please subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. I hope this video helps you a lot. And please subscribe if you like, and please like this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.